If you're looking to make the move to the St. Petersburg, Florida area, and your budget calls for anything between $400,000 and $600,000, you might want to stick around for this video, because in this video, I'm going to be jumping into 3 different houses in that price range, and we're going to be showing you all of what they have to offer right now. Welcome, my name is Jonathan Ruiz. I'm a real estate agent that shows you all around the Tampa area, and I just don't show you like the real estate side. I like to show you like where to go, where to eat, and all the fun things to do. That way like, you get a real feel for what it's like when you're gonna be moving to the area. So if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so you can stay up to date on all things Tampa. And if you happen to be making that move to the beautiful Tampa area or St. Petersburg, please reach out to me or my partner James. We'd love to help either you or you and your family make a smooth transition over to the area. Just give us a shout, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. Welcome to this little hidden gem just a mile away from downtown St. Pete. It's going to be a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, new construction, selling for $430,000. So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside and see what it has to offer. And stepping into this house, you'll notice that it's surrounded by windows throughout, so you're gonna get a lot of natural light coming in. You got this really nice modern quartz countertop with the shaker cabinets with the crown molding. All the light fixtures are very modern as well. Stepping upstairs, you're gonna have a master bedroom on one side and a guest bedroom in the other side. The master bedroom has also got a really nice modern shower in there. It's got a really nice big walk-in closet with the window in there, so it allows natural light to get in. Also stepping across the hallway with the spare bedroom, you're gonna have an actual full bathroom inside of that spare bedroom, so that's a very good thing to have as well. Stepping downstairs through the hallway, you're also gonna have another quite large spare bedroom as well. And then you're also gonna have a bathroom on the other side. There's gonna be vinyl flooring throughout. The stairs are all vinyl, so there's absolutely no carpet in this house. I don't know about you guys, but I prefer vinyl floors and no carpet, a lot less cleanup. This makes everything look a lot more modern, a lot more better feel to the house, in my personal opinion, but to each his own. Other than that, I mean, you're gonna have like the nice fixtures throughout with the gold. You're also gonna have like the white cabinets right here. On this side, we're gonna have like the gray cabinet. So it's gonna be like a little split between colors. Just gives everything a nice pop and really brings everything together in a nice modern way. And again, you really can't beat it for $430,000, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, a mile away from downtown St. Pete. It's gonna be a great place to live over here in St. Petersburg. And over here in St. Pete, just minutes away from Tyrone Square, we're gonna have this completely remodeled house built in 1959. It's gonna be a very nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,324 square feet with the pool, selling for $550,000. So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. And stepping in this house, you're gonna notice you're gonna have vinyl floors throughout. You got a nice induction top stove. You gotta have the quartz countertops with the shaker cabinets. Great thing about it, it's like a split bedroom plan. You're gonna have your 2 bedrooms on one side of the house and your master on the other. Speaking of the master or the primary bedroom, you're gonna have like bamboo walls throughout inside the master bathroom. Everything's completely redone up, including the vanities in both bathrooms. A great thing about this house, as it being a split bedroom, there's also gonna be like a U shape. And inside the U shape, you're gonna have the pool right there in the center. So that's gonna be like the main focus of the house when you're walking in and you're looking at everything. So it just really brings this house together. Great neighborhood, well-established neighborhood as well, since it was built in 1959. Everything on the inside is completely remodeled, redone up. Great thing about it is you're just like minutes away from Tyrone Square, which is also like you'll notice where you have like the Tyrone Square Mall. You have a mall, you're gonna have like little shops, little places to eat. Another great thing about this place is you're about 10 minutes away from the beach. You take a short 10-minute drive, you're gonna get to like the Treasure Island or St. Pete Beach. So you're really close to the beach, really close to shopping. You know, this is a great place to get, and especially for $550,000, everything remodeled, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You really can't go wrong with this particular property over here in St. Petersburg. And the great thing about leaving that property just about a 1.5-minute drive, you're gonna have like the Tyrone Square Mall, which we're in now, which is gonna be like your classic mall with your department stores. But the great thing about the Tyrone Square is there's gonna be a bunch of different shops and bars and restaurants just in the local area. Like you're gonna have like your Best Buy, your PetSmart, and things of that nature. And great thing about it also, you're just 10 minutes away from the beach, like Treasure Island, or you're also like 10 minutes away from like St. Pete Beach as well. So there's a lot of things to do in this local area, which leaving the property we just viewed for $550,000. Or you could check out this house right behind me, which just hit the market for $565,000. It's gonna be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1795 square feet. And yes, it's built in 1923, but completely renovated. I'm talking about tiled floors throughout both upstairs and downstairs. You're gonna have like the vanities are completely redone. You're gonna have like shaker cabinets with granite countertops as well. And a great little entertainment area in the back as well as this front porch area. So this would be an awesome little gym to get in the south side of St. Petersburg. Well, there you have it. 3 different homes, and the price ranges between $400,000 and $600,000 for single family homes. If you can find yourself wanting to move in one of these beautiful homes or anything similar in the St. Petersburg area, or Tampa for that matter, please reach out to me or my partner James, because we would love to help either you or you and your family make a smooth transition over to the area. Once again, just give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. We'll love to help you out and earn your business. Like always, until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next